So let's talk about video. What are some ways to make video smarter?
You know, video has traditionally been a standalone security tool to protect the inside and the outside of the restaurant. But today, with the ability to integrate video with different devices, you can really enhance your security, your loss prevention, and your customer experience.
With the technology that's available today, retailers can start to implement more of an eye in the sky overlooking their stores. So they can utilize the systems for things more than security, analytics such as people counting, traffic patterns, dwell times, line queuing. So they have a better idea of what's actually happening in their stores without having to go just from a gut feel.
It sounds like that may be a lot of things coming together. So how complex is that integration?
A lot of the integration is really about exactly that, the integration. The device that you already have, and really you want to just have a solution provider that can help you understand your customer problem, the specific problem you're trying to solve, and then integrate it.
If you could tell retailers, in your opinion, something that they should keep in mind when they are going to update, what would that be?
I would say definitely know your existing infrastructure, know what legacy equipment can be reused. There's certainly not a need to strip everything out and to install all new. So for instance, reuse your legacy coax, reuse your switches, if applicable. But yeah, certainly see how much you can reuse. It doesn't need to be expensive. And with IP technology advancing so quickly, costs are really coming down just as quickly. So now a lot of times you can purchase those IP cameras cheaper than actually you can purchase analog cameras.
So with everything changing in IP, where do you see the future of it going? If it's already been used not just with LP, but security and life, what would be the next benefit that you could see happening?
The next benefit will certainly be, since now your IP cameras are on a network, that environment is all flat, everything is going to speak to everything. So your alarm system will speak to your IP cameras, your point of sale systems will speak to IP cameras, your EAS will speak to IP cameras. So it's all about integration at this point.
What would you say for a restaurant or a retailer and they're trying to seek out a provider? What should they look for in that?
I think the key things that any retailer, customer, or restaurant should have is, one, do they understand your business? Because ultimately, it's about your business, what you want to deliver. Secondly is depending on the size and scale of your operation. If you're a national company or regional company, you want to have a solution provider that can meet your needs wherever you are, primarily because you want consistency. And basically, if you can go with one company that can provide the consistent way in which you're implementing it across all of your stores, then you have assurance of really the quality that you want.